These Uzi or Mac 10 style gel ball blasters for you purists out there, really popular right now. So we're going to check out a new design from a new brand. The brand is LGNYT, and this is on Amazon, of course. The link should be in the description. So very similar to what we see with some of the other Uzis. We're just going to go over everything that comes with it and kind of put it together as we go. Of course, they give you some nice directions. We're starting to see this everywhere now, which is good. Show you the different styles or color combinations they have. And then the tips and tricks on the back. And of course, the importance of soaking those gel balls properly. So without belaboring the point, just make sure you're soaking them for plenty of time, which in my opinion is 4 to 6 hours. Use lots of water and a big enough container. At that point, there should be leftover room in the container and there should be water left over because you didn't guess perfect. Just drain off that excess water, and that way you know they got to 7 to 8 millimeters, so you know they're big enough. You can store those in airtight containers. Store them inside like these hoppers if you got lids for them. Otherwise any type of airtight container. They do give you a nice mix of colors, which is kind of cool. We're starting to see that a little more, and this one gives you, all different colors, just doubles of the multicolor. So that's nice. Of course, it is a gravity-fed hopper or blaster where the hopper attaches to the top. This bracket, you got a little button on it, and we're going to go ahead and slide it on. There's a little arrow there too, and these ones slide on this way. Boom, and then your hopper just attaches to the top. So we'd have this filled up with those 7 to 8 millimeter gel balls that we were sure were soaked properly. Just flip the blaster upside down. Spin that hopper on. We also get this little magazine. Now this does not shoot from this, but this is where you can store additional gel balls. So when you run out of your hopper, you can pull this out. You can pop that open, and it's a little tight initially, so I use a little screwdriver, but you could fill that up and load up your hopper again. This just slides in here, and your magazine release button's right here. This little notch is in the back, and that's because that's what locks on when you slide it in. Safety glasses, of course, right? Wear some sort of eye protection. They give you a couple of the water-activated targets, which are cool. So these are going to change color when you hit them with the gel balls and change back when they dry off. All these Uzis come with one of these little clips and straps. Personally, I think they get in the way when you clip them up here. They get in the way of your battery door. I've seen some people clip them back here, or just don't clip it at all if you don't want to. For an accessory with this one, you get a laser, and this is the laser that turns on with this turning. Okay, so I'm going to butt back here. This type has it right here. That's just going to slide on that rail. We'll put it on after we put the battery in. Speaking of which, it is a 7.4 volt, 600 mile battery, which we've seen standard for all this model. 4-pin connection here. USB charger, plug this into any AC adapter 1 amp or greater, flashing light when it's charging, solid red light when it's fully charged. The ribbon actually serves a purpose. That's to help get the battery in and out a little easier of the compartment. Before we throw that in, something kind of interesting, unique. They give you a set of these stickers. So, got some different, is it stickers or these? I think they're actually temporary tattoos now that I look at them a little more closely. Yeah, I think they're temporary tattoos. So, you get a set of different temporary tattoos right here. So, that's something unique and different that we haven't seen before. All right, so battery goes in, same place, right here. Tuck your battery in. See how the ribbon can kind of help get that out. Now these ones are usually pretty tight. So sometimes I think it is easier on this one to put the harness down here and then put the battery in like that. That way it gives you plenty of room. And then you can slide this shut. Something to be aware of with all these Uzis is if this moves around a little bit, it can block that. So sometimes you might be catching on that and it's not shutting. Got it shut, power button right here. Flip it forward. flip it back, good to go. We can slide this on, tighten that down, and our Uzi style or Mac-10 style gel ball blaster from LGNWYT is ready to go. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Do you like this color combination? What do you think of the addition of those temporary tattoos? I guess that's unique, something bonus, and I do like that they give you plenty of the gel beads, so that's cool. Please comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and participate in all the giveaways. Of course, we'll shoot it, we'll test the FPS. I assume we'll end up with the same results we've seen with others that are the same, but every once in a while, there's something different internally, and we do get some different results, so check those out. Another Uzi here. This one's from the brand LGNWYT. It's the one that came with the temporary tattoos. Interesting addition. We're going to go ahead and shoot it here. I expect the same performance from it, and of course, because we'll test the FPS to see how strong it's shooting. Anyway, got some different color combinations though, right? So I show you all of these just because there's all these different designs, different colors, and you can see they come with different accessories. Some have more gel beads, some don't. So this just gives you guys options to see all of them that are out there, what's really included. You guys can make the decisions because it appears the internals are going to be exactly the same. So let's try shooting it and let's test the FPS. So we can see it shooting nicely like you'd expect. Let's check that FPS. And it's in that 115 range, which is what we've seen with all of them. So again, LGNWYT is the brand. This is their Uzi style gel ball blaster. Yes, technically it is a Mac-10 style blaster, but that's not how it's listed on Amazon. Comments, questions, of course, put them down. Please like, please subscribe, and please participate in all the monthly giveaways. I'm going to try to do 2 prize packages per month for the summer of 2022.